Good Friday, everyone. Looking at our severe weather outlook for today. This is issued by the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma. This is what those folks do all day long. They're the experts on outlining severe weather risks. They're not perfect, but they do a pretty darn good job. And I think they're doing a darn good job with this. I agree with this wholeheartedly that the greatest risk for severe weather today will be across West Tennessee, extending northward to Iowa in that red shaded region. And as that activity moves east, it will weaken. And that is good news for us because you see us outlined there. You see the red as you're coming across Tennessee going from west to east. Then you see the orange, then the yellow, then the green. You see how it's like stick, tick, tick. It just kind of steps off pretty quick until it gets to our neck of those. And then East Tennessee, just in the general thunderstorm risk. And I agree with this because the energy is going to be well to our west. And then as you get closer to the plateau, it just declines. Now, are we out of the woods completely? No. But we look a whole lot better than folks well off to the west of us do. So you're going to see some very active radars. And you're going to see a lot of stuff shared on social media. And you're going to see some big hail. You're going to see some tornado videos. You're probably going to see all kinds of stuff. Don't think that that is going to make it here in that force. We do have some risk tonight, late tonight. I'm talking after 3 a.m., so literally Saturday morning. But we're looking much better shape than folks farther to our west. So today's level of concern, I made it level 0. I was going to make it level 1 or 2 because of the gusty winds, but I think the gustier winds are going to hold off till later this evening. It's going to get windy today, but I don't think we're having anything to really worry about with those winds. Might have a little bit of an increased wildfire danger, but y'all know not to be burning outside if it's windy and it's been dry. So, or it dries out quick this time of the year. Everything's starting to drink up that water. So I'm going to say level 0 today. No weather worries. This is the USA Mortgage calm before the storm. Late tonight. I'm talking after 3 a.m. Although the stronger winds, we're going to start getting windier through the night, but the low end risk for severe storms will come after 3 a.m. It's a meteorologist mark weather alert night. And I'll be watching things and tracking things and keeping you all abreast of the latest. I'm going to start doing Facebook Lives showing my radar screen and just kind of guide you through what's going on. And I may try that for the first time tonight with storms well off to our west. And we'll see how that goes before I need to use it for perhaps folks closer to our neck of the woods. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast today. We're fine, mostly sunny, highs in the low 70s. Heck, some of y'all made even get to 75 today. Yeah, warm in March means you got to be watching out for some storms. Tomorrow, the middle of March, the Ides of March are Saturday. South winds 15, gusting to 40 at times. Mostly, I think those gusts are going to stay in the 30 to 35 mile per hour range, but there will be some gusts that hit 40, especially for those of you in the higher portions of the Cumberland Plateau. We have one round of storms that round early in the morning, that 3 a.m. Friday to 9 a.m. Saturday time frame. But then we get a potential break. And then we get more storm chances coming in the afternoon, evening, and into the overnight. I think the storms may get out of here by midnight Saturday. It's looked like that for a while now. So that would be great. We can get those out of here by then. Sunday, we're just a chance of showers, west winds, no severe weather worries for Sunday. Monday and Tuesday are mostly sunny. How nice is that? Upper Cumberland Credit Union bring us our rainfall forecast 2.5 inches of rain before this is all said and done. Heaviest rainfalls after sunset Saturday. We'll get rain in the morning and possibly even throughout the day, but the heaviest rain will come after sunset, and then Sunday's rain comes mainly before 9 a.m. Premier Generators bringing us our threat graphic for late tonight. That's 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. All low wind threats. I have not made one change to this graphic. I still feel pretty good about this. Very low wind tornado, very low wind hail. Decent chance for some flash flooding, some heavier downpours, and of course got those thunderstorm winds that could get quite gusty. Tomorrow, the threats increase. I've not changed anything to this from last night's update. I still feel pretty good about this. I'll watch all the data today and see if I need to increase my concern. There is still the chance that we stay cloudy and rainy tomorrow. That is still on the table. And if that happens, we'll be in much better shape. But if we get sunshine tomorrow, you all know the drill. If we get sunny and hot, I mean, you don't need a meteorologist to tell you if you're hot and humid in the middle of March, you better be weather aware. You all know that. So if we stay cloudy, showery, that helps us out. Doesn't get us out of the woods completely, but it helps us out. And I'll be keeping an eye on that as well and all that potential. Extended threats by Weichert Realtors. Let's just get past this first. It is looking wet in the middle of next week's possible heavy rain, gusty winds, and then the beginning of the next week. So just to let you know that March is continues to look active. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramall Travel. 1870, the term blizzard was first used. In 93 on this day, we were up to our knees in snow, literally. 1933, an F3 tornado goes through downtown Nashville. In 98, another tornado would take the exact same path. 1960, northern Georgia's between snowstorms. Gainesville, Georgia, 17 inches of snow during the month. Reported at least a trace of snow on the ground 22 days of March. Snow was on the roofs in Hartwell, Georgia from the 2nd to the 29th. 1960, that was a wild year for snow. I'm ahead of my time. You folks have a wonderful Friday. Keep looking up to keep up with all this crazy weather. Keep up with my special updates and special coverage. I'll keep you safe and informed. You keep it right here, Meteorologist Mark.